Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Crystal DIY. So in today's episode we want to learn how to make germicide. Yeah, right? Yes, izal. This is germicide. You can call it izal. I think people lives in Nigeria calls it izal. Yes, you can make this as a business. You can start this up as a business. There's a lot of people that is making this as a business and they are doing perfectly well. And good 18, you don't really need much for this. You don't really need much money for this. You can make this and package it in this container. This container, I think I bought it 200 naira. Yes, you can make it and package and start selling. So if you have watched this video up to this point, please like and subscribe to this channel. It's a way of encouraging me to do more videos for you. Thank you for subscribing and liking. Also share this video. So the first ingredients that I'm going to add is phenol. This phenol is corrosive. I even had to dilute it with water from the place I bought it. It's very corrosive, so make sure that you are protecting yourself while using this phenol. It's a germicide ingredients, kills infections and all that. So the quantity of these ingredients is on the screen. So as you wash, you'll be seeing the quantity that you're going to use for each product, for each ingredients that you're adding, right? So this phenol is one of the active ingredients we use for this production. Is part of, I think all of them is active ingredients. None of them is bigger than each other. And this one is lysol. So lysol is also an active ingredient for germicide production. It also kills germs and all that. Don't worry if you experience something like this, just don't worry, it will melt, right? So don't panic. That is why I added it, because some of you will feel like that your germicide has spoiled. At this point, just leave it. We keep adding things. And this is carbolic, right? So we are going to add carbolic. I'm actually making 1.5 liter of izal, right? So this is carbolic, right? It's also an active ingredient also for making izal or germicide, depending on what you call it, right? This is also a diluent. This is a pine oil, right? So we are going to add our pine oil to it, and is also act as a disinfectant, right? This pine oil is also used for making some of antiseptic soaps and all that. So it's for killing of germs too. And this is our color, right? Germicide color is a color booster. It gives its color this beautiful look. So we are adding it at this point. You see that you don't really need much. You just to add, and your germicide is ready, right? So after adding our color, what next are we going to add? You know that we have some rumples in it. We are going to add something that will break the rumples. Then what I'm going to do now is to turn it a bit, and then we'll add binder. This is our binder. This is how it looks, right? We are going to add the binder. It will bind all these things together, all these chemicals that we mix here. It will bind all of them together. And after we've added the binder, our germicide is ready, but it's remaining one thing. We are going to add what? Please subscribe to this channel before I tell you next you're going to add. Subscribe to my channel. I don't know what you're waiting for. So after you might have subscribed to my channel, after you might have clicked the like button and subscribe to this channel, then come back and add your water. Yes, add your water finally, right? Then you can see that as we've added the water, that everything has dissolved, right? All the granules in it has dissolved. The work of the binder is to bind all the chemicals together, and all the chemicals are active ingredients for germicide production. Yes, you can start this as a business, my sister. If you're a stay-at-home mom, there's so many things you can learn in this channel that will fetch you a whole lot of money. We have class for laundry bar soap production. We sell the soap cutters and ingredients for it. We have a class for body perfume, oil perfume. You can make it. We have shampoo. We have so many things, liquid soap that you can make and start selling. You can also add this one. Start it. Don't be idle. Just start something to do with your life, right? No matter the little amount you are getting, just be managing it with time. Consistency, let me tell you one thing you don't know. Consistency pays. As long as people knows you that this is what you are doing, that you make soap and supply to people, you make izal, you make air freshener. We have so many tutorials in this channel. So the more reason why you should subscribe to this channel is because this channel is an educative channel. It's not just channel you come and just watch. You are coming here to learn how to make money, because this channel teach you how to make money, things you can do to make money in a legit way that you can do to make money, right? Look for where to get these containers. I think there is this one that comes, I think 500 mils or 1 liter of izal. You package it, go to graphic designer people, let them design these things for you, and you package and start selling, right? You go to schools, hospital, tell them that you produce this. They will tell you, bring for us. You make it and supply to them. Talk, tell people this is what you do. If you hide what you do, my dear, nobody will patronize you. But you need to come and tell people, this is what I do. I sell this. This is what I make. Before you see people, okay, bring, go. Before you know it, you enter market, right? So one reason you should subscribe to this channel is that what I bring here is value. I don't just bring anything anyhow. It's either you make money or you save money. In this my channel, right? It's either you make money or you save money. So my sister, my brother, in this economy, there is inflation. You don't work with just one source of income. No, you don't work with one source of income. If it doesn't come from liquid soap, it will come from bar soap. If it doesn't come from bar soap, from germicide, the toy. We have so many videos. Just go to my channel, go click on my channel, my bio. You will see so many videos there. Just watch, right? Watch and start making your money, start cashing out. Post on your WhatsApp. It's not only videos, other people's video that you'll be posting on your WhatsApp. Make these things, post it on your WhatsApp. Tell people this is what you do. You can make and supply to them, right? So here is my thank you. I want you to drop my thank you in the comment section. Like this video and share this video to people that might need this video, because there might be a lot of people that doesn't know that they can actually learn this thing online. Right? So I only collect money to teach you how to make only laundry soap or skincare formulation. But you see, all these little house cleaning agents is free, right? It's free on my channel. Just watch and make and sell for profit, my darlings. So go and tell your yard people, go and tell people around you that there is this woman that makes house cleaning product, that they should subscribe to her channel, Crystal DIY, that they will learn a lot of things that will make them money. If you see all this stay-at-home mom that is not doing anything, you tell them, go and subscribe to Crystal DIY. Once they subscribe, they must learn 1 or 2 things that they will do, right, that will fetch them money. If you have any inquiries on this, or maybe how to get these containers and all that, just holler me. I'll drop my number on the screen so that we can discuss better, right? I want you to make money. I'm rooting for you. You must succeed. You see this money, you must make it. See you in my next video. Bye.